You can write the modulator signal if you are using the AM modulation, something like that. So this one is your carrier. So you can see that the amplitude of the carrier is being varied with respect to the amplitude of the message signal. So this one is AC. So this one is AC plus AM, and this one is AC minus AM. So that is the modulator signal, amplitude modulator signal. So similarly about the frequency modulator signal, here you can say if it is amplitude modulation, so it means that amplitude of the carrier is varied in accordance to the message signal. So similarly about the FM, so if you have FM signal, then in case of FM, so you can have like this is your message signal, then that is your carrier signal. So this is MT, this is CT, and then you can write the modulator signal. Now you can see your phase remains constant. But your frequencies, so you see your frequency is varying. So that is the case of FM. But similarly, so it means that here you can say you are varying the frequency of the carrier with respect to the message signal. But if you have a PM modulations, phase modulations, so in phase modulation you are varying the phase of the carrier in accordance to the message signal. So if you want to represent the waveform of the PM modulator signal, so it is again something like that. Means you can say phase lag here and then phase leap here, phase leap and phase lag. So you are basically changing the phase of the carrier signal. So here you are varying the amplitude, so it means that you are increasing the amplitude, and then when the amplitude is going to increase, the frequency is going to increase. So when the amplitude is going to decrease, the frequency is going to decrease. But in that case, when there's a changes in the amplitude, you can see there's a phase lead and phase lag. So this is basically we have like give the basic concept of the modulations. Of course, in our next lecture we will completely discuss all these type of modulations, and then there in that lecture we will give you complete explanation with all the mathematical analysis and all the waveform of different types of the modulations. I hope that you understand the basic procedure of the modulation and why it is necessary that we need to perform the modulations for different purposes. So I hope you like the lecture and understand the lecture, but if still you have any question or any message, you are most welcome. You can write your questions or suggestion in the comment box and subscribe our video so that you can see our next incoming lectures later on. So thank you for watching the lecture.